Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Now here we've got a 69 plate BMW 1 Series. This is a new one, the 2020 model. Now this vehicle is amazing. They've radically changed the inside, which I'll show you shortly, but even things down to this being front wheel drive. The car has changed massively from the old systems. Now what the customer wanted was an audio upgrade. Quite a significant audio upgrade. So what we've done in here is, well, I'll show you through shortly, but we've changed the front speakers and upgraded things. So inside the boot, as you can see here, there's quite a lot of space, and then underneath the panel there's again a lot of space. And what we started to do was basically strip the vehicle down, as you can see, take the door cards off, assess what needed to be done. Then we did quite a significant amount of soundproofing inside the door. Now that's the door panel with nothing on. And then this is obviously we started adding the soundproofing. Now this is inside the vehicle, and as you can see in there, it's a really high spec vehicle. There's a hell of a lot of lighting, and you can see the iDrive touch system there, and then you can see this accent lighting around the vehicle. This has actually got the audio upgrade in now as we finished it, and as you can see it's been put back together really well. Got virtual clocks on the car, so this vehicle really has significantly moved on in quality. However, the audio, or the factory audio, was really not that good. I'm just going to come down to the DRC there. Now, this is something we've actually added in here, and again it's near the iDrive controller. So this just gives you all your control in one place, fits, and really gives that factory high quality finish to the vehicle. So this is the touchscreen system again, which is CarPlay, and again this vehicle really is short of nothing other than originally didn't sound so good. So what I'm going to do now is basically just show you in the doors. Now here's the door cards. So again there's lighting in there, and you can see the speaker grill. We've actually put our speaker upgrade in there behind the stock location. You just can't tell we've done anything at all. And then we've added in this tweeter bezel. It's a factory BMW part, although we've actually put our Audison tweeter behind there. And as you can see, the door card just looks exactly as it did when it originally came in, to be totally honest with you. So now what I'm going to do is show you a little bit further in the vehicle. So inside the vehicle, we've also upgraded the woofers. Now, the woofers actually are located just underneath the seat area, and it's really hard to see. But basically what I'll do is, if I point down here, you'll underneath the seat there is actually a woofer, an 8-inch woofer that we've upgraded. And again, that makes it basically sound a hell of a lot better, a hell of a lot more mid-bass up front. But in the boot, we've also added a little bit more sparkle with a subwoofer, an 8-inch subwoofer. So what I'll do now is I'll go into the boot, open it up. Now that's the boot now when we've finished our install, but actually underneath this panel here is where the amplifier and also the subwoofer is located. So what I'll do now with this is lift this panel up so you can see exactly what's underneath there. So there you go. So this is basically the finished article. So what I'll show you through and talk you through. So there's a Forza amplifier there, and there's actually an 8-inch Audison amplified box. So we've, in theory, 9 channels of amplification, but we've used this quite wise. We put in a hell of a lot of power into the underneath of the woofers, and then driving the mids and the rears. And this is actually showing you there is still some storage space that we left at the front, so you could put some bits and bobs of information in there. Now, for further information on upgrading your audio system, give us a call on 0114 257 1550, and what we'll do is talk you through your options and costs for something to basically look and sound as good as this does. Thank you for your time.